Luminous range, practice problem 2. Let's do it. The second problem reads, the light list shows a navigational light has a nominal range of 20 miles and the visibility is 27 miles. What is the luminous range? We record this information given in our problem. So nominal range of 20, say nominal range equals 20, and it said a visibility of 27. Visibility is 27, and then it says, what is the luminous range? What's the range? Okay, so we go to our table and we look up nominal 20. Down here is nominal. It's also across the top. So nominal 10, 15, 20. I like to use a straight edge. Put our straight edge on 20. Now we have nominal 20 on our straight edge. And our visibility is 27. So here's the visibility curves. And you see this very top one says 27. Okay, so we're 20 right here. And we're using the very top curve of 27. And it looks like it intersects right there. We follow it over. Conveniently, there's a line. So if we follow it over, 40. It's just saying 40. So we're getting a range of 40. Let's check our answers for 2. 41, C is 41. And maybe if we look at it again, this 20 intersects, maybe it intersects about a little bit higher than that line. I can justify 41. 41 was C. So B2 is C. There. These are quick. We solved practice problem 2.
If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider for your captain's license.